Cholesterol. There is no such thing as good cholesterol or bad cholesterol. There is cholesterol. Now, the protein carrier, like a low density lipoprotein, the or LDL cholesterol, that's the carrier that carries the cholesterol to the site of injury or for hormone production. So you have to have high stress, physical, chemical, emotional stress, and then cholesterol go up. And cholesterol goes up in the winter, down in the summertime. Cholesterol goes up under stress, down under lack of stress. Now, HDL, high density lipoprotein, that's a different protein carrier for the same cholesterol. That brings cholesterol back to the liver for storage. So high LDL means tissue damage or stress. High HDL means your body's in less stress. There is no good or bad cholesterol. Cholesterol is 50% of your overall weight of the brain, and it's the precursor to every hormone you make. Every glucocorticosteroid, minocorticosteroid, and sex hormone you make out of cholesterol. Cholesterol is fantastic. If LDL is high, it means you got tissue damage, baby. You fix the tissue, then the cholesterol is going to go down. Don't take a statin to reduce that. Find a doctor that understands that, and then you're going to be okay.